Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9, representing about Stratigraphy Virtual Fieldwork, and our group member representing by me, Nurfatah binti Abdullah, E21A0600, Muhammad Arif bin Makrani, Imani Aisyah binti Ghazali, E21B0488, Nur Aina Saleha binti Sobri, E21A0582, and Nur Shazarina binti Muhammad Sayuti, E21A0627. First thing first, I would like to express our special thanks and of gratitude to our lecturer of stratigraphy, Dr. Nur Zamzarina binti Sulaiman and Dr. Hafzan Eva binti Mansor, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project of virtual fieldwork as required. And for those group members that are helping each other to completing this fieldwork, we are also know about so many things that we are really thankful for them. Secondly, we would like to thank all our friends, and also our support system who help us a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. Did you know that Langkawi is Islands of Legends? The Langkawi group of 104 islands, located some 30 km off the coast of Perlis and 112 km north of Penang, is a paradise of geologies. One finds within it some of the best and most interesting exposure of Paleozoic rock in Malaysia, ranging in age from Cambrian to Permian. This sedimentary formation, consisting of both clastic and carbonate, had been deposited within different paleo environment and under different paleoclimatic conditions to provide a highly variable set of rock to test the minds of geologists who attempt to understand and interpret them. In addition, this sedimentary rock had been introduced by younger granite that produced interesting metamorphic imprints at their context. In this fieldwork, we have given 3 localities. These 3 localities shows us the real sedimentary and geological structure heaven for geologists. In Pulau ULAR, lots of mudstone and siltstone, while the Pulau LANGGUN is very rich of fossils, so many geological structure and edges that we can identify. The first locality is Pantai Pasir Tengkorak. Pantai Pasir Tengkorak is located in the northwest of Langkawi. It is also part of the Machincang Formation. In this area, quasitic sandstone occur with the presence of mudstone, siltstone, and conglomerate. This cool sand beach also has fine white sand that is formed due to the hard rock of the beach, while are shale and sandstone. In the study of area, there are many sedimentary structures that can be seen.
Next, we move to the sedimentary structure that we found. First, strata. Strata is a layer shaped like a layer formed due to the deposition of grains. Quasi sandstone formation occur in this area. Second, flame structure. Flame structure found in the outcrop of Pantai Pasir Tengkorak. It's occurred because the water is trapped out due to bionts, and due to over time a funnel shape is formed on it. In addition, the weathering process also occurs on this outcrop. There are reddish brown rock, where the layer of the ferrous oxide. Next, large loose bulk formed in the plane between the sediment layers. It occurs when the upper layers press on the lower layers. Other than that, we are also found in this study area, which is joint formed as a result of a crack that spread the outcrop. It occurs as a result of secondary process that occur such as geological movement. At Pantai Pasir Tengkorak, the original deposition is tilted and caused cross-bedding to occur in this area, formed by the downstream migration in flowing fluid. After from that, there are also ripple marks that form due to the flow of water in this study area, which is due to the movement of wave hitting this part of outcrop. In this outcrop, there is also a quartz vein due to the quartzite that crossed to existing bedding and will be visible on the surface of the outcrop itself. Fourth, Faults is also found in this study area due to the occurrence of tectonic movement where it has a significant displacement of the movement of the rock mass.
Second locality is Pulau Langgun. Pulau Langgun located at northeast coast Pulau Langkawi, Kedah. Pulau Langgun is the largest Langkawi archaeology and it uninhabited and also largest island at Kilim Geoforest Langkawi. Pulau Langgun layered by shale formed with carbonate mudstone, dark limestone and sandstone. Setul formation is found at Langgun Island. First sedimentary structure that we found at Pulau Langgun is sandstone. From figure A, we can see the bed of sandstone that formed at Pulau Langgun area. For information, sandstone creep from coastline or low layering of the continent sand bed. Color of sandstone from the figure A is often brown reddish and grey. Move to figure B that show the orthogonal joint at area Pulau Langgun. Generally, orthogonal cross joint straight across gap between regular joint. We also can see the on-bedding surface joined from a set of stair pattern. Next, third sedimentary structure we found at Pulau Langgun is conjugate of joint. We can see when joint set known as conjugate joint set. The dihedral angle inside a joint range from 30 degree to 60 degree. Cos of two set joint cross D become the conjugate of joint. The fourth sedimentary structure that we found at Pulau Langgun area is structure of joint. From the outcrop, we can see the color mostly light to dark grey but reddish and yellowish color. Outcrop is highly broken in unstable joint. From figure A, we can see black mudstone A5 sediment structure that we found at Pulau Langgun area. Black mudstone is from very fine clay particles settled in water.
Next, I will explain about Pulau ULAR. The formation of this island is consisting of a variety of rock types, fossils, sediment structure, tectonic structure, and erosion features. Pulau ULAR is a small island that is an elongated island to the southwest of Pulau Langkawi. It is consists of 5 to 6 mountains that are jutting out of the sea. This island consists of several small hills separated by an almost flat plain. Those of the mountains are joined together by sandy bar and rocky outcrop. For the information, the entire island is composed of lion formation rocks. The sedimentary structure that we found on the outcrop is thin-bedded yellowish mudstone and siltstone that are exhibiting slumping faults in the northwestern part of the island. Besides on that, there are angular blocks of limestone together with rounded quartzite pebbles, which that can found in isolated rock fragment horizons. Because of the island are exposed to the wave, the wave will separate the yellowish thinly bedded mudstone from the darker color pebble mudstone and sandstone. Then, in the northern tips of the island, there are erosion process. The erosion process will make the shape of the earth's surface to become tapered. Other than that, in the upper part of the succession, there are the structure of drop stone that including variation of shape, size and origins of its pebble. At the outcrop, it is consisting a sequence of blackish color rocks overlapping in harmony with mudstone and sandstone units. That are the boundary between the two members of the lion formation. The changes of that is because of the depositional environment at the time.
Sedimentary structures have various types of formation. The first one is faults. Faults is a result of wave erosion that has caused a slight shift in the rock, and it will cause a fracture between the two blocks of the rock. The second one is bedding. Bedding is a layer of sedimentary rock, and we can tell the differences between the color, texture, and gaps between the beds. And it is mostly mudstone and sandstone. The final one is joints. Joint is located at sandstone area. We can see on the previous slide that rock movement moves in a direction particular to the fracture plane. And the conclusion of our presentation for today is the Paleozoic sedimentary rocks in Langkawi had been placed under four formations. They are from the oldest to youngest, and they are mostly shallow marine shelf type deposits forming part of a belt that extends from South China down through Burma, Thailand, Northwest Peninsula Malaysia, and North Sumatra. And this is the end of my group presentation today. And thank you. Have a nice day.